Good morning. A beautiful day in the neighborhood of the AT. 2.8 miles till the road to stick my thumb out and try and get a ride into town. It's about 7 o'clock, I believe, and it's pretty much downhill. So I woke up, I was cold, and all I had was coffee. Thank you, Clementine, for giving me your extra Cliff Bar. That'll get me to the road for sure. And it kind of warmed me up too, having a little bit of calories. You see how small my bag is? My bag's usually small, but now it's like extra small. It's very light right now, so once I put food in there though, it won't be that light. I am going all out when I resupply. But first, when I get to town, I am eating breakfast. There's a McDonald's right across the street from the Price Chopper, and I might go there for breakfast, or there's a coffee shop, and depending on how expensive it is, I might go there. I really wanted to go to a diner and get some diner food, but that's not in town. That's on the way to town, so I'd have to get dropped off there, eat breakfast, and then try and hitch another ride into town. I don't think that's a very smart idea. Also, I go into town, I eat food, I resupply, and then I gotta get my happy butt back on trail and try and pump out 18 to 20 miles. So it's gonna be a very interesting day. And even though I have to do all this stuff today, it's still gonna be, drum roll please, a beautiful day. And now I have to try and hitch for a ride. Well, I made it. Beautiful town of Manchester City. Beautiful city? I don't know. I'm currently looking for the McDonald's because I am gonna mess that place up. Then I'm gonna mess the bathroom up. Oh, there it is. It's right in front of me. Alright, I finally got my tent fixed and my trekking poles. Look at those nice straps. They're used straps, but they're brand new straps to me compared to what the other ones looked like. And at first, they weren't going to be able to fix the tent because they needed to undo the stitching. But the guy had YouTubed a video and he fixed it for me. They didn't charge anything for the tent. They didn't charge anything for the poles. I just bought new socks, a bear line, and a carabiner. Spent $24. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm not sure what the name was of the outfitter, but you guys freaking rock. Now I'm off to go do a resupply, and a gentleman from the town is gonna pick me up and drive me back to the trail. Man, and I still got like 17 miles to do, but what a great day. I'm back on trail. The unfortunate thing is I didn't get to decompress all my stuff, so I'm gonna be carrying that trash with me, but I'll take it, man. Matt, I believe his name was, he drove me back to the trail. They bought me freaking Subway, dude, and I still gotta do 18 miles, but it's looking like a great day, man. Holy cow, that the generosity I got out of that, in that town, out of that town. Oh my god. Woo. All right, let me pack up my things and let's get this day started officially. Up this lake that is there's like 2 lakes coming up, but well, that was Bromley Mountain. Now I gotta go down and summit another mountain. It's already 2 o'clock. I think that really heroic idea of doing 20 plus today, it's just not going to happen, because I'm going to be a very unhappy camper by the end of it. So maybe I'll do 7.4 from here on out and call it like a 13-mile day. So yeah, that's what happens when you leave town late, but I got everything done, so. So I made it. Not really liking what I got. So they want you to tent on these platforms, but my tent does not go on a platform. It just doesn't work. I don't get a nice top pitch. So I asked the caretaker if I could pitch on the ground. She said yes. This is like my only flat spot right here, so I'll take it. I would have loved to keep going, but it's already past 6 o'clock, and I get very angry if I'm hiking past that time. And plus, if I get to camp at 9 o'clock at night, I'm not going to want to edit this video. So there's no way I'm being behind on videos again. Whatever. It is what it is. So I'm gonna devour that Subway sandwich. I've already eaten half of it. And then I'm probably gonna make some ramen and eat some M&Ms and brownies and other stuff, because I got so much food. So that wraps it up. That is it. I'm done. Tomorrow I will do a big day to catch up for the miles I lost. So it was awesome that I got my tent fixed. It was awesome that I got my poles fixed. Took a little long, but I kind of expected it. And because I left at 12:30, this is the result I have. It is what it is. So have a good night, and we'll see you tomorrow.